uses low cost energy and faster.
Okay. So this is scalability. Fifth feature is fast and easy installation. Power wiring, I described to you. This is the back side of the switch, and basically you connect the two wires. Yes.
Just connect the two wires, okay, rather than the neutral wire.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So you plug the battery.
Smart car. Sensor.
Sensor is the power package here.
So this is the one that's sending the signal.
Yeah, they all send the signal.
They blend together.
Oh.
They blend.
Okay.
And it has also processor inside in the smartphone. Both has a processor.
I'll tell you a bit of story after.
Okay.
Because I also been approached by Qualcomm and all this. Qualcomm, you know, huh?
Yeah.
Qualcomm Korea.
Common Korea.
LG. Because my project in Penang, I also install this system, and then I give everyone an iPad to control.
Yes.
I'm handing over the houses now. So it comes with all the, like in Korea, with all the modem and the router all pre-installed. In Malaysia, we seldom do it. But we are one of the first, we are learning from the Korean. You know, when we come to IT, you know, I always tell people, you must go to Korea, you must go to Incheon, you must go to learn. I mean, you are the expert. To say. You know, we hope to learn from you more.
Okay.
Good. Thank you.
Now, so this smart switch is easy to install, but there's a second feature. This use of just requiring two wires in the switch box is a unique patented technology.
Okay.
And right now we use individual components to make the circuits. But since we already have a semiconductor division within Ubicom, we are developing the IC for this as well, so that we can sell the individual chips as parts. Because there's a lot of demand for this in home automation part. Now, smart sensor, this switch box can contain a battery or rechargeable battery, or we can connect to regular power connection. Okay. Now, second feature of the easy installation is binding. So in the room, there are several of these devices. And they need to be bound together to communicate to each other. The way we do this is a plug, which is here, and this is a sensor, which is here. We bind it together by pushing the two buttons to put it in the standby mode. Then we push this button, and the two are bind together. That means two can talk to each other. Then we can add one more switch in the same way, so that all the devices within one room talk to each other only. So they will not be interfered with devices outside the room or in a different building. Because this RF signals going back and forth. So Leviton and Instune are two US companies, and this is Ubicom. We use different standards. We use IEEE standard, they use a different standard. Ours is the fastest, 2.4 gigahertz, and has the highest data rate. So more data can go back and forth reliably. And if one device breaks down, the other devices can go around it to continue communicating. And we don't need a neutral line. One major source of complaints for the customers of these two companies is they bought the system, it's very convenient, but they needed to find the neutral wires from some corner of the room and bring it all the way to the device, and it costs more than the device. That was their major complaint. And the Zigbee, which is what we are based on, is at least twice as cost effective and energy efficient as Wi-Fi. This is based on a study by General Electric for home automation networks. So our device is ideal for smart homes and buildings. This is a world building energy management system market forecast. It's going up. This is the world commercial building automation market revenue. Basically, our target market is the air conditioning and lighting, which is this thin strip up here. But since we have an array of sensors within the building of the house, those sensors can also be programmed to be used as sort of a security function as well. And this is a major portion of that market. Now, I'll talk about our ecology specification. We have hardware expertise. All devices were developed in-house, as well as software expertise. Our system is based on cluster tree management protocol. So this is how the devices communicate with each other. This is the coordinator. If one breaks down, we can also send a signal this way, so that the whole system stays relatively robust. We also make the servers, database, and web application is also developed in-house.